हम इस वक्त SKICC में हैं और हम इस टाइम 52nd एनुअल नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ इंडियन एसोसिएशन ऑफ प्रिवेंटिव एंड सोशल मेडिसिन इवेंट जो नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रहा है उसे कवर कर रहे हैं। हमारे चीफ गेस्ट डॉक्टर सईद आबिद रशीद शाह है और हमारे साथ इस वक्त मौजूद है इस पूरे नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के ऑर्गेनाइजिंग चेयरपर्सन डॉक्टर सलीम खान। Dr. Salim Khan, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
I have few questions regarding the whole event, whole conference. So, first of all, tell me about the theme of this event. It is integrative approaches or in comprehensive care in One Health. What is One Health to you?
Over these years, there have been reasons found that diseases cannot be tackled in isolation. They cannot be tackled in silos. That we have diseases, human disease, and we cannot stay away from animal disease. So, what has been found that around 60 to 70% of all diseases that occur in human are animal in origin. We have seen pandemics like COVID and Zika and all other diseases. So, they are primarily coming from animals. So we need to tackle diseases while looking at all the three parameters, that is human health, the animal health, and the environment. So we need an interaction and interactive response so that we work not only in silos for human health, in isolation for human health, but on the animal health also and the environment. Because we have over these years we have seen there has been changes in the environment. The weather conditions have become even more severe at times, and because there are floods, drought, meteorological and other factors are there. So they have their own impact on human health. So that's why our concern is that we work together. So as I said, One Health cannot work in isolation. So we need to have a comprehensive plan for that. So we need to have a comprehensive health care for people, and we need to integrate various systems so that we work for human health ultimately.
As someone who is the organizing chairperson of the conference, what inspired the Department of Community Medicine to host this year's national conference here in Srinagar?
As I said, the last IAPSM conference, which was held by the Department of Community Medicine, previously called Social and Preventive Medicine, was in 1985. So it has been 40 years. So our teachers have organized that. So it was in our mind that we should again come up with a national level conference. That time there were only 250 members of IAPSM. This time there are 9,000 members, and we have around 1,200 delegates who are attending this conference, and among them more than 1,000 are attending in person. So we felt that we should bring people here and try to show them what we are doing, and not only it has other perspective like tourist potential is here. We want to show people that Kashmir is a safe destination, and that is evident over last many weeks now that we have so rushed of tulips because of tulip garden also, that all the hotels are sold out. So even we got the difficulty in arranging people here. So with all these things in our mind, we organize this conference.
What specific public health challenges of Jammu and Kashmir does the department hope to bring into focus through this conference?
See, we are in a transitional state from communicable disease to non-communicable disease. The pandemic of NCDs like diabetes, hypertension is increasing. Around 25 to 30% of our adult population is hypertensive. Around another 8 to 10% of our adult population is diabetic. So these two diseases are major killers, and other cardiovascular disease, the obesity, especially among the childhood. So these are the concerns that we need to address, and all these things can be addressed through making interventions in our lifestyle changes. So we need to bring lifestyle modification. For that we need to have advocacy, and there are various institutions who have worked on that, and we'll need to learn from how they have tackled, and they are advocating for all those initiatives.
How do you see the conference strengthening collaborations between academic institutions, policymakers and healthcare professionals?
So the good thing about community medicine is that we belong to the community. So we are not purely academic. We do research, we do academics, and we do the patient care also. And ultimately, because we have been on ground, we know the community, so we know their problems, and that's why we know the ground realities. We come up with plans, we just formulate them so that they are implemented again at the ground level. So it's a full circle for the community medicine, right from working at the ground level with policy, with getting data, then planning, then implementing also.
Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you. तो ये थे हमारे साथ डॉक्टर सलीम खान, जो कि इस इवेंट के, इस नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस के ऑर्गेनाइजिंग चेयरपर्सन हैं। बाकी मालूमात के लिए जुड़े रहे कश्मीर लाइव के साथ। मैं हूँ इब्तिसाम फयाज खान, कैमरा पर्सन मंजूर अहमद के साथ।